So that was my grandson, doing an unboxing. Good job, wasn't it? Good job.
Thanks.
So this little air compressor cost around $115 with shipping, actually free shipping, from an online retailer. And it's just got a 1 gallon tank, and it'll fill this 1 gallon tank up to 120 pounds in 50 seconds. I'm really loving that. I tried it. It's really nice. It's really quiet. So an air outlet adjustment. It's got this gauge. It's got a total system gauge. This is the air outlet gauge. Got a total system gauge. This is how you turn it off and on. It's got a real upper lower limit switch for the air pressure. You can see I can lift this up just sitting here. I got a bad back, it's not bothering me. It's got an air filter and some kind of a straw that fits in a hole in the top of the air filter. So it's also got I don't know if you can see in here, a circuit breaker, and it's really easy to drain the air. So you can see draining the air, draining the water, and they recommend draining the air, draining the water, and they recommend that you drain it every 2 days. That's not hard. Stop it. With the fitting, what you see is what you get. It says it's completely assembled. That's not true. The air filter did need to be screwed in. My grandson did it. You saw it on the video. So I'm going to start this up. I've drained the air, and you're going to hear how quiet this air compressor is. So I can talk over this air compressor, and it's sitting on an empty box. That's how quiet this thing is. And you'll hear when I let a little air out, compared to the air being let out, this is how quiet this air compressor is. I love it. Now I'm going to let it run until it fills up, which should only be about another 20 seconds. In the meantime, let's enjoy a little bit of music. Elias, sing some music.
I don't know what to play. Hey, can we just use that for music?
So the noise you're hearing is the box. So that's it. 1 gallon, 120 psi. If you'll zoom in, Elias, you'll see that it's 120 psi there. Got it? So nice. Why'd I buy it? It only draws just a little over 3 amps. I've got a plug in my truck that I can plug this straight into. So if I'm out and about, if I have a truck tire or a vehicle tire that goes bad, or you know, I get a call from a friend, or I'm out in the middle of the winter driving around, see if anybody needs help, I can just have this plug it in and fill up a tire. Not a problem. And you can see how fast it is and how quiet it is. It only weighs 26 pounds, it says. So it's, you know, real easy to pick up. I'm loving it. It was a Valentine's gift from my wife. Thanks, honey. Thank you. Bye.